Most laser rangefinders are designed for rifle ballistics, but bow mode was created specifically for bow hunters, and it's built into Leupold Rangefinders and rangefinding binoculars. Bow mode, with its TRIG function, is an excellent set and forget feature that's simple and accurate to about 70 yards and angles less than 20 degrees. This function is ideal for western spot and stalk hunters and tree stand hunters, providing 10 ring target level accuracy. And select Leupold rangefinders now come with Archer's Advantage. Archer's Advantage is an advanced function designed for distances out to 175 yards with unlimited angles. This function requires the archer to input the specific bow and arrow setup. Archer's Advantage is engineered to account for the arrow velocity, arrow weight, and peep height, the 3 data points that are needed to calculate an accurate shooting distance. Archer's Advantage gives the serious bow hunter the precise, long-range calculations they can trust for X-ring target level accuracy, and it's one of the high-tech functions that sets Leupold apart from the rest. When bow hunters go with Leupold, they go with the best.